about to head out. They going grocery shopping. Tall ass nigga. Alright, we see you when we get there. What was the rules?
What?
What were the rules you told me you came up in here?
Oh. Don't touch shit. Don't talk to nobody, and if somebody called next to your ass, smack they bitch ass.
Exactly. Everybody here got masks. You got here chilling, risking it all.
Some shit for the crib though.
Got to.
Get out of here, it's too corona infested.
Don't come back, grab pizza. Gotta get the stuff crossed. Stop playing with your boy. Do that shit in there, fuck it. We getting go, get me.
Huh?
We getting.
Damn, I want some black and white cookies.
Black and white cookies. Ooh. He grabbed the cookies and the donuts. Donuts? Where the coffee at?
What?
I said, where the coffee at? I gotta get that milk. I got all that nasty shit in there though. Y'all be easy out there. Stop coughing. Cuz, nah, we not walking down there.
Yo, you heard that?
Cuz, we not walking down there. Cuz, y'all don't know y'all heard that. That man just coughed, no mask on. Nah, cuz, fuck that.
That nigga just let that bitch out.
Yo, no mask on, nothing. Fuck that out.
Where the cheese at, man?
Cheese? Down that aisle, bitch? I heard that though. I'm gonna play that shit. I'm gonna say it. Wow, what? Y'all ain't see what happened, but I ain't showing y'all. Yeah, grab that. Yes, sir. You need pumps right now. No? Risk it off. Cuz, where are the C's? Yo, niggas is coughing all up in here.
That shit getting serious now. I'm about to put my mask on, nigga.
Yo, for real, I ain't even
Whoa, we ain't got your money.
Yo. Cuz, it's the same aisle, bruh. Cuz said mask up.
Stay right here.
It's the same aisle, cuz. Damn, discounts with discounts. We getting cut. Sharp cheddar. Alright. What else we getting called? What was that? 3 cheese Italian?
I really want mozzarella, bitch.
Mozzarella.
Oh, right there.
Right on. Yes, sir.
Oh, fuck, wait.
is this coffee? The fuck is this? Turn on. Secure. Ma? They in here coughing, Ma. Hell no. We heard 2 people call. We put our masks on, you know? Nah. What cup of seeds you want? They got a barbecue.
Yeah, yeah. Put the bread last, dude.
Sorry, I don't want something.
Oh, this yours.
Got the last one.
I hope this is enough. You think so? Yeah, it better be, bitch. And then I'll be like, alright.
Put that shit behind.
Damn, all I have is 100.
You're alright. $37.
That's your ass.
$37. Cuz, did you hear the bitch cough? You ain't hear her cough, bro? The bitch said, I was like, oh, hell no, bro. I had 3 people, Lehigh. Done for. We finna die. Look, loaded. Yo, you know she ain't ring up the cup, right?
I got one too, bro.